Hey there, art enthusiasts! Welcome to our creative journey as we dive into the mesmerizing world of South Indian bridal fashion. Today, we are embarking on an artistic endeavor to sketch the elegance and charm of a South Indian bride. From the vibrant colors of her saree to the intricate details of her jewelry, every aspect tells a story of tradition and grace. Join us as we bring this vision to life on canvas. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and share this video with your friends to spread the love of art. Our journey begins with the vibrant green saree, symbolizing vitality and prosperity. With each brush stroke, we capture the richness of South Indian culture, infusing the fabric with life and energy. As we blend the shades to perfection, we invite you to immerse yourself in the creative process. Remember to subscribe to our channel and share this video to inspire others. Next, we add depth and dimension to the saree with subtle shading, creating a sense of movement and elegance. Imagine the gentle play of light and shadow on the fabric, enhancing its beauty and allure. As we refine each detail, we encourage you to engage with us in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends who appreciate the beauty of art. Moving on the fiery red blouse, symbolizing love and passion. With each brush stroke, we infuse the sketch with warmth and energy, capturing the bride's radiant spirit. As we blend the hues with perfection, we invite you to be part of our creative journey. Remember to hit the subscribe button and share this video to inspire others. Now we delicately color the sheer dupatta, adding grace to bride's ensemble. With each stroke, we create an ethereal aura around her, enhancing her beauty. Join us in appreciating the intricate details as we bring this sketch to life. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share this video with your fellow art lovers. Let's now focus on the bride's hair, framing her face with elegance and charm. As we paint each strand, we capture the flow and movement, adding depth to the sketch. Join us in marveling at the beauty of this traditional hairstyle. If you are enjoying this creative process, make sure to subscribe and share this video with your friends. With gentle strokes, we paint the bride's skin, capturing its natural glow and radiance. Each shade adds depth and realism to the portrait, highlighting her inner beauty. As we blend the colors to perfection, we invite you to engage with us in the creative process. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and share this video to spread the joy of art. Next, let's add a touch of opulence with intricate traditional jewelry. With each stroke, we capture the sparkle and shine, enhancing the bride's beauty. Join us in admiring the craftsmanship of these timeless pieces. If you are enjoying this artistic journey, make sure to subscribe to our channel and share this video with your fellow art enthusiasts. Finally, we paint the golden border of the saree, symbolizing prosperity and fortune. As we add the final touches, we invite you to appreciate the beauty of this traditional attire in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and share this video to inspire others. Each brush stroke adds regal elegance to the ensemble, completing the look. We then add beautiful designs to the blouse in dupatta, using a silver pen to create a mesmerizing pattern. Each detail reflects the bride's unique style and personality, adding a touch of sophistication to the ensemble. Join us in marveling at the artistry of these exquisite designs. If you are enjoying this creative journey, make sure to subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends. And there you have it, our sketch of a radiant South Indian bride, resplendent in her green saree and traditional jewelry. Remember to hit the subscribe button and share this video to spread the love of art far and wide.